Imagine earning a good income. Yet every month you're wondering, where did all our money go? Bills keep coming, groceries cost more than they did last year, kids need clothes, the car needs repairs, and somehow saving money always gets pushed to next month. Here's the surprising truth. Most families don't have an income problem. They have a budgeting problem. According to numerous financial studies, households that consistently follow a budget are significantly more likely to build emergency savings and reduce financial stress. In today's video, you'll learn the simple budgeting system used by financially successful families across the United States and Europe. Whether you're earning $3,000 a month or $8,000 a month, these principles can completely change how you manage money. Let's get started. Why most family budgets fail. Here's what usually happens. A family decides to create a budget. They download an app, write down every expense, stay motivated for about 5 days. Then life happens. Unexpected expenses appear, the budget gets ignored, and within a month, they're back to spending without a plan. The biggest mistake isn't spending too much. It's creating a budget that's impossible to follow. A successful budget isn't about restricting your life. It's about telling your money where to go before it disappears. Think of your income like water flowing through pipes. Without direction, the water leaks everywhere. With proper planning, every dollar and every euro has a purpose. The 50-30-20 rule. One of the easiest budgeting methods is called the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% for needs. These are essential expenses. Housing, utilities, insurance, transportation, basic groceries, healthcare. These are the bills you must pay. 30% for wants. This includes restaurants, streaming subscriptions, vacations, entertainment, shopping, coffee runs. These expenses make life enjoyable, but they're optional. 20% for savings and investing. This portion goes toward emergency savings, retirement accounts, investments, paying off extra debt, future financial goals. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. You don't have to track hundreds of spending categories. You simply keep your spending balanced. Build an emergency fund first. Before investing aggressively. Before buying luxury items. Build an emergency fund. Why? Because life is unpredictable. A medical emergency, job loss, broken furnace, car repairs. Without emergency savings, these become credit card debt. Financial experts generally recommend building an emergency fund covering around 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses, though the right amount depends on your situation. Even starting with a smaller goal, like $1,000 or 1,000 euros, can help cover many unexpected costs. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is protection. The biggest budget killers. Let's talk about the silent money leaks. These are the expenses many families don't notice. Multiple streaming services, unused gym memberships, food delivery several times a week, daily coffee purchases, impulse online shopping, subscription renewals, buy now, pay later purchases.
None of these seem expensive individually, but together, they can cost thousands every year. Try this challenge. Review your last 3 months of bank statements. You'll probably find subscriptions you forgot existed. Cancel the ones you don't use. That's an instant pay raise. Smart grocery budgeting. For most families, groceries are one of the largest monthly expenses. Fortunately, they're also one of the easiest areas to optimize. Simple strategies include planning meals before shopping, making a grocery list, avoiding shopping when hungry, buying store brands when quality is comparable, cooking larger meals and using leftovers, reducing food waste. Even saving $50 per week adds up to more than $2,500 each year. Small habits create big results. Involve the entire family. Budgeting shouldn't be one person's responsibility. Successful families talk openly about money. Children can learn valuable financial habits by understanding saving, spending, and planning. Couples who discuss financial goals regularly are more likely to stay on track. Set a monthly family money meeting. Review income, expenses, savings progress, upcoming large purchases, financial goals. It only takes 20 minutes, but it can save thousands. Conclusion. Building wealth isn't about earning millions. It's about consistently making smart financial decisions. Remember these 4 steps. 1. Give every dollar a job. 2. Build an emergency fund. 3. Eliminate unnecessary spending. 4. Stay consistent every month. Because financial freedom isn't built overnight. It's built one budget, one paycheck, and one smart decision at a time.
If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Here on Finest IQ, we break down investing, personal finance, global markets, and wealth building strategies to help you make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.